Boy ethic. I used to run dance all, you know. When me did young, you know. You want to see how me skank?
Elizabeth! Elizabeth! You don't hear about the new Ethic Boss and Shagga T song will drop?
Yeah, I got some memory ideas.
Alright, now Elizabeth.
Memory.
Boy ethic. I used to run dance all, you know. When me did young, you know. You want to see how me skank?
God have mercy! Hey! Elizabeth! Me will deal with you later, and you, man. That Bible and you are bad influence. Not here when me not there, I run the business. Mary! Miss Mary! Mary! Come here! Yes, me don't pop it off. What's the problem? Me tell the daughter, said don't come up with me yard when me door up there. You don't know what she do. She come up there and she and my daughter up there and whine after me leave me picnic to go study her Bible. Please, me I beg you keep your child over there.
Me tell her all the time, so if you keep him backside in her yard and left your yard alone.
But she's a bad
But
influence.
you don't come go on like say me pitney a bad influence. You pitney me a whining in him from morning.
Me don't say no, but she's a bad influence because she bigger than my child. So she should not teach her what to do. I'm gone, me don't come here to argue with you, lady. Me just carry your picnic and you tell yourself to make she see her yard. Me gone.
Alright, ma'am. I want you here for yourself. So stand on your one yard. And that's the thing now. Stay on your one yard. Alright. Come in your yard. Come on, come up with the picnic.
You're grounded. No more Alisa. And you know what? I'm taking away your tablet, your phone. You won't have anything to play with. And you're not coming out for 1 month straight because of this. Go into your room. Boy, you disappoint me. Lord, why? Every try, me try. With her, me feel. I can't do this for my own, you know. Can't do this for my own. I have to go call Johnny, man. Hello, John. It's me. I know you don't want to hear me, but me just a call you to tell you. I'm sorry about everything, you know. Yes, I would want you to come look for your daughter as soon as possible because things not right, you know. And I want you to forgive me for everything what I say and what I ever do about you. When you come, we talk, man. You coming soon? Alright.